Okay, so today I'll be doing a Beast Wars related video. I'm gonna be grinding and my boost field and see how much honey I get for that boost. I'm gonna show you my potting stats. Not really good. 469 white pilot, red pilot 275, blue pilot 250. So I'm gonna use I already made 3,273,000,000 today. Now I'm finna do my white field boost. Or pumpkin patch. Remember how much I got. I'll be using all my boosts. Cause I gotta save them for. Gotta save them for like some items. Trying to get the coconut backpack. I got 132 blue extract and 13 red extract. I'm gonna be using glue or essence and not tropical drinks. But yeah, that's about it. Let's see how much we get. I won't be using gold straws because I'm running low on them. This is also my first Beast Wars video, but I'll probably always be doing Beast Wars later now. After I get done with the Beast Wars Simulator video, most of my videos is gonna be for Roblox. So yeah, let's see how much I get for that boost. Let's get started. Actually, this should use a coconut. Bro, how did I miss that? My fault. Gotta use a coconut just to convert one time. Then I just want to get out of here. Cause when I'll probably collect enough, but I mean my tornado. But I'm just, it was, I didn't have no, like, speed, so I couldn't do that. I actually spent a lot of honey yesterday just for gold star ornaments. I spent I got 50 of them. Spent so much honey. But sorry, I spent 15 billion, 10 billion. I don't know. Comment down and the comments sometimes don't work, but if it do work, just comment down below if you want me to keep showing how much I get per potted. The potted text. Cause I can turn it off for you if you don't want me to get some. Actually, just got done with a stick bug. Right? I should have recorded that. I just started my YouTube channel. I get 6.9, well 7 million because I remember I upped my space. I almost got the silver, but I still got bronze. Yeah. I forgot. I have the plan, but me, I'm slow and I Just got some white butter. I just need a white butter. So let me show you my highest score. I don't know why it's got diamond, but I should have just kept the supreme. But let me show you my high score. High score. I think it was 173 or 172. 173. See, I definitely had a lot of supreme amulets, but I switched it because I didn't know why I switched it. I switched it for a stupid reason. I just want a white party. So, it kind of feels stupid, but it's alright. Let's see. How much I have to get? I forgot how much I had from the start. I'll just review the video. Alright. I actually need to start saving my strawberries. But I tried to get that gifted mythical spicy bee. I got 2 of them and 1 factor bee. I don't got no tadpole bee. I think the tadpole bee is probably like the worst in grinding, but it help you get the bubbles for the BP man, the Bumblebee Man quest. It actually does show my stuff feel about it. But last time I saw it, it was at 7 billion. I'm sorry. I think I probably already made 100 million. I did not grind like I usually do. I should have did a donation. That's alright. Actually, the Tabby bee is the best collection bee if you got it. If you got the type of love at 1,000. And it's actually the best bee. Well, not best bee. I mean, best collection and best conversion. Hey, yeah. And the video again. Try to grind as much as I possibly can on this boost, but usually I farm the coconut. I believe I could be getting billions. Not billions, but I'll be getting like a billion. Usually. But I already got 7 minutes left on a pumpkin patch. But I definitely already made 100 million. I don't know how much I made though. I think it was. I don't know when I started with. My cool patch missing that much. I think I almost have my pumpkin. I used to have Mountaintop Grandmaster, but they removed that one. I mean, own it. Removed it. Some people pronounce it different, but I say own it. Some people say own it. But I'm gonna say own it. I used to grind all the red fields, but now I do white fields. As you see my pepper patch, I barely be grinding there, but I used to grind there a lot. if I do get, I don't know if like getting done with Bumblebee Man Quest. Really not focusing on it that much. I think my Strawberry got the most collected product. Let me see, Mushroom 6 billion, Strawberry 11 billion, 367, and Rose Badge 10 billion 837. So, and I have Stoutfield. I basically got it that much honey just for granted this time. But yeah, I got 7 billion. So, first Strawberry, second Rose, and third Stump, and fourth is Mushroom. Actually, I kind of feel dumb because I actually had donated Spirit Pedal before I got the pedal belt. I gotta. Oh, that's actually not hard at all. I didn't grind on it like that though. I could definitely get this done. Especially if I get a wind boost. Most likely all the powder will be done if I got it in that field. Got 4 more minutes on that boost. I gotta pause the recorder, I think. No, ma. I'll probably still do it, but right now I don't.
Hey, you can watch some this pig. Momo, go switch that floor.
I put the last clip is the last clip I did. Well, basically the last one. Cause I just had to pause it for that part. But I gotta, after I get done with this boost, I'm finna, stop the recording. And I also have all the low tier pep masks. My fault. I got done with that whole boost. But I had to do so. I just swept my floor. But I'm finna see how much honey I made. I could have probably made it. I could have probably made 300 million. I probably did. I never know. But I don't think I did. I think I made like 200. I don't know. I know I made 200 million. But I don't know how much. But I'm just trying to check out that moon, sprouting clover. And that's gonna be the end of the video after I get done with smooth sprout. It'll take that long, though. Yeah, bro. It had to come before it was done. And it's starting to take a while all the time, cause I don't know, I guess it cause Cloverfield. But if it's it would be like a lot of potting, but it's gonna be easier if it was a coconut. Only about 34 million potting. 35 million. That's not that much for coconut. But yeah, this is gonna be another video. And bye.